How to apply urea. As long as you're not trying to spread it as a granular, and as long as you're not trying to spray too high of a salt concentration on your grass and just leave it there, those are the main ways you can mess up a urea application. Now, I like to do a soil applied liquid application. So if it's growing a little bit, I'm applying maybe half a pound of nitrogen, which would be 1.09 pounds of urea per 1,000 square feet. To do fertilizer math, just 0.5 divided by 0.46 times whatever your lawn size is, and that's how much urea you need to cover your lawn. If you're doing DEF, just multiply that by 3, because DEF is about 15% nitrogen by weight. That'll get you close enough. But you do need to either apply in light rain, that's what I usually do. I am typically aiming to apply around the 1st of each month, and I just watch the weather. If it rains, on the 27th, 28th, 29th, 30th, anywhere around there, that's when I'm applying. If it rains a little late, like say 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, no big deal. If it's raining, that's my timing. But as long as it's close to the 1st. Now, if there's no rain in sight, you can also just rinse the grass off after application. If you have irrigation, you can apply anytime, but I'd rather not irrigate unless I need to. That's why I'm going to tend to apply in light rain, and I also don't have irrigation. It makes more sense to me to wait for rain most of the time. But if it's the summer, you can water it in with 0.2 inches of water, or if you're irrigating every 4 or 5 days, which is what I would do in drought, then you can do your full irrigation. Apply your nitrogen, and then usually I'm applying about ½ an inch every 4 or 5 days during drought, and that keeps it nice and pretty. One last option, if you don't want to water it in and you don't have any natural rain to rinse it off, another option you can do is just get your concentration right in your tank. Now, this is not going to be an option for property. If you have, say, an acre and you're trying to apply ½ a pound of nitrogen, that's going to be something like 50 pounds of urea, and it's going to be in the ballpark of 100 gallons of water. So that's probably not going to be super practical for a lot of people unless they have tow-behind spray equipment maybe, but even then it might be burdensome to mix up that much urea. Smaller lawns you can do that, just 2 gallons per pound of urea, or you can do about 3/4 of a gallon per pound of DEF. So DEF Supertech from Walmart, or urea, you can get it locally, don't ship it.